Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, I hope you all are doing fine and staying home and staying safe. Now I know हमारी current situation की वजह से we all are stuck at home and we're very bored. But we have all this time to learn new makeup tips and tricks. So I thought I would share with you my everyday makeup look, which is really easy, really quick and does not need a lot of products. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, for more such quarantine makeup tips and tricks, subscribe to POPxo Daily.